Hello, my crafty friends. This is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. I have a guest design project for ArtyMaze. I have, I was originally going to do a boho, but I had one of her kits, Patchwork Botanicals, that I had printed up and I've never used. So I wanted to get into the spring, but I also wanted to make it very grungy, like it fell off a wagon or something. So the lace is quite beat up and this is vintage wedding dress, and I inked up the edges. There's some alpaca fiber. This is 9x6, 52 pages. This one's tea and avocado dipped, stained, and it's just oh, it's so fun to make. So this is just my front part, very romantic. Her vintage pictures, some of the items I had in my collection, and some music paper. And then this is the kit. Let's see, where am I? There you go. And I made a big tag out of some of the pages. I just ripped up and kind of made pretty tags out of, because they were just so pretty. Because I like to, I used a lot of, oh, these are her postcards from the kit. This was, I think this is Tim Holtz. And that was just some paper I had. And I did a very light script stamp. And here's just some script paper that I had, or this was gifted to me from the lovely Miss Angie. The receipts from Utica, New York. And so I just copied them and ripped them. And then this is ArtyMaze, the paper. And then her flowers. So I just collaged them together along with the little pocket. This is a paper clip, just a little envelope. And this is just hangs over. And again, I fussy cut one of her flowers and put it on a piece of receipt. Seam binding. And here again, more paper. Some of it I was running out of ink, so some of the pages didn't come out the colors they were, so I just used them for tags because they still go. And then a thing there, and then just a little piece of paper, little grungy paper. And this I printed probably about 12 times because I hit the wrong button, so got a lot of orange flowers, peach. And this is just a little envelope and a tag and another little collage piece with the paper and the music paper. Some really grungy lace. And I think I used some ivory paper that I tea stained. A little booklet with a guest check. Another little flip. This flips up. I love that paper. It's just so springy. We're getting there. We're not there yet, our weather-wise. And that's just a little piece of grunge paper. And just a little raggedy sewn on. And here I just pieced together again some her paper with receipts. And it's one of her postcards. And I'll leave everything listed below, and it will be in my Etsy. This was part of the kit. That was Tim Holtz in the postcard. In here was just one of the library cards, these awesome tickets. Those I shrunk down because they were actually bigger. And you'll see some. This is just a tag that I put some extra paper behind. And a little booklet. A little pocket. Here's my Utica paper, which is like 10 minutes away from us, so that was really cool. My grandparents grew up there, or they lived there. This is a fold out, flip down with two of her tags. I just thought it was a little different, but I love the colors that all go so well together. Peach. Oh, this is a raggedy I made with some material and then some pieces of the paper that I didn't use. So it's a raggedy for the middle. It's one of her beautiful ladies. And then I just made, seed packet from Target with some decoupage from Tim Holtz. And some writing paper. Look at the writing spot. I have come a long way. And a little ticket, or another little fold over with her paper, and another rose. And some more of the paper that I ran off so much of. And I just pieced it together and sewed it in. Just made a little tuck spot. I love the colors in this book. And it's so soft and squishy. And here is one of her receipts that I made into a little receipt book out of the deposit slips and a tag and a little matchbox and one of the little girls. I really shrunk down. And it's just a little matchbox or match booklet. And here the tickets again that I just put on Sorry Silk and just made a little piece of paper that flips down. And here's a bag that flips over with a book, napkin decoupaged, and just kind of like a rough book. And it's on napkin. Look at the paper. Another big card. And here I put an envelope. I stamped just the grungy, just kind of wet. And in here I made another little booklet out of her paper and just coffee dyed paper. And then this is a little kind of like a raggedy that's sewed. I sewed it right on the back. So she kind of peeks out. It's just so cute. So that is a journal. And then you also get this cute little envelope that I made 6 by 8. I made it out of legal size paper. And I collaged it and put the flower and music paper. And in here you will get, I think I did a video on this. This is her big ticket. And I made a little kind of wallet style. There's paper. And then there's pockets with another little booklet out of her paper. And little tickets. And then there's more pretties to write on. And then there's another little piece of paper in the back. So that is your little extras that comes in this pretty little envelope. And I'm sure I'll put some more stuff in it. So this is listed, and this is, like I said, this is a guest design team project for ArtyMaze using Patchwork Botanicals, and I will list them below. And my next video will be about the giveaway coming up. So we'll see you real soon. Have a nice night. Bye.